Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, Rust on NEAR in 5 clicks, token transfer in 1, deploy contracts in 3. It is all thanks to tools, Cargo NEAR for building, and NEAR CLI, Rust-based for everything else. For this we need to open the terminal. As I'm using Windows, so I will open Ubuntu. If you have Linux or Mac, you can just open your terminal, for example, in Visual Studio. Cargo NEAR is a simple tool. It takes your normal Rust code, converts it into NEAR compatible language, automatically creates the RBJSON your frontend needs, and if you want, you can push your contract to the blockchain. Okay, so let's start with Cargo NEAR. It's open menu of everything else. Also, you can write, for example, cargo. One moment. Also, you can write cargo NEAR teach me. It's a menu, but explains each step. It's excellent for first time at guided tour. I personally would like to use Cargo NEAR. First, Cargo NEAR new. It's make a starter Rust contract. Write the name of your folder of your project. I will write just test. Don't forget to go inside of your folder. Let's type Cargo NEAR one more time. Cargo NEAR build. It compiles WebAssembly and also creates a BJSON. It's great for daily coding loop. Also, you can choose here not reproducible WASM and reproducible WASM. For daily coding loop, it's fast and simple to use the first one, none. For reproducible, it's the same, however, like inside Docker for byte perfect reproducibility. Let's go back. Cargo Nearby, it's regenerates IBJSON, it's for front-end dev to use it. Create dev account, it's creating a testnet account, like free testing account, one prompt, excellent for development. Here you can use random account IDs that randomly create inside of you, or you want to write a specific account. And finally, I think that's the main one, it's Cargo NEAR deploy. It's just build, choose the signer, and ship. So here you will choose like the fast and simple, not reproducible WASM. I will use my created DevNet account on the testnet. You can use with initial call or without. It depends, like, do you want to put any parameters in your contract? By default, greeting contract that's created by the new project, we don't need to initialize it. So we'll choose the second one on the testnet because we have testnet wallet. Okay, here first two is basically totally the same. It's just key chain for every day. Ledger is like for mainnet, big money. Here is like raw private key. This one for JSON file for CI, seed phrase for recovery, and if you want to send later for cold storage. Let's go with a keychain for every day. So sign with a keychain. And here you can send right now or save to file, keep signed for bytes later, or just print base 64 to copy paste. That's Cargo NEAR done. Let's go back, just interrupt. Let's go with the part 2, NEAR CLI. First is NEAR account. View account summary is like snapshot of balance, code, storage, just quick health check. In the ePort account you have 3 options. Let's go inside. And here you can inside web wallet by a browser. It's like the safest login and the most popular one. You can use seed phrase, just paste mnemonic, and for laptop recovery, for example, and use a private key. Just paste your secret key and like for secrets. Let's go back. Export account, it's copy your key out if you want like move machines. This one is create account. Here you have 2 options. First one and the most popular if you were doing on the testnet, just sponsored by faucet service. You create a testnet account with 10 years already for cover your fees, gas. Find myself, you pay fee from another wallet. It's like sub accounts, or for example, can be mainnet, or you can just fund later. Update social profile is just edit your social name, bio, avatar, on-chain profile, and keep. For your development, it will be not so popular to do it. Delete account is close account and send balance everywhere. So you just basically delete account on the own chain. If you want, for example, to delete accounts on your laptop, so you don't want to use this testnet that you have right now, for this you need to go to your folder, like where you save. And here in the NEAR credentials, you go to accounts, and here you can see account ID, my just created DevNet account. And if I want to delete it, I just selected this account and I just press delete. And that's all. And save, of course. Let's go on. List keys is show every access key, use security setup. Get public key is print your current sign-in public key, share key safely. Add key is very important because it provides a limited call power for the dApps. For example, you say that you want to give a permission to the dApp only for 5 years. So this dApp can spend on the fees or something else only 5 years from your wallet. Delete key is basically you revoke old or leaked keys. And finally here, it's mentions storage deposit, withdraw, storage stake, fix not enough storage errors also. Let's go back. Let's go with the NEAR tokens. I will choose my account, testnet. Set NEAR, just send 1 NEAR to your friend, is like the simple one. Send FT is transfer USDC, wrapped NEAR, or any other NEP 149 standards. Send NFT is basically the same as send NEAR or FT. View NEAR balance, just see how much money do you have right now. I basically should have a little bit less than 10 years. Now, yeah, I have like 10 years and something is locked for the storage. NEAR tokens. Also can check FT balance. The same for NFT. So basically it's pretty simple here. Let's move with the NEAR staking. We are working with the delegation management. My account. Okay, here you can view the balance. See delegated, pending, unstake. Deposit and unstake. It's just pay plus stake in one go. Just first top up. Staking pool and stake all is just activate idle deposits, no extra fee. Unstake or unstake oak is just you exit from the step 1. Withdraw or withdraw all is just pull unlocked tokens home, final cash out. Let's go back. NEAR contract. It will be like the most popular one for you for the development. First is call function, run a method with the JSON args, quick admin tweaks. Deploy is basically the same as cargo NEAR deploy, however like one difference. Here you provide the location of your WebAssembly file. Deploy as global is publish WebAssembly once and reuse it everywhere. It saves storage fees. Inspect, it show export methods, forgot function names. Download IB.json is like for front-end TypeScript generation. Download WebAssembly, just verify that production deployed. And view storage, just check the debug state. NEAR transaction. Here is a view status, just did my transaction succeed. Reconstruct transactions, clone and chain transactions into a ready command. Construct, build unsigned bytes offline, just add my signature, signed signature. Print transactions, human read JSON review. Signed transactions, just push signed bytes. Send meta transactions is basically that you pay the gas for somebody else. NEAR config. NEAR config is just tell the CLI which network URL you want to use. And basically, that's all. I want to provide you the most popular commands that we will use. Let's go back. Cargo NEAR. New, you'll use it quite a lot. Just create the project. Cargo NEAR build, it's like 50-50. Create a dev account, you will just use it maybe only once. Create NEAR deploy, yeah, one of the most popular will be. And also NEAR account. If you want, for example, import your account and import your mainnet account and want to deploy on the mainnet, so you will use it also using web wallet, is also will be like the most popular one. And I think that the most popular one will be NEAR contract, especially call function, to want to call function to check them, deploy and interact with the contract. Okay, perfect. You now speak fluently NEAR CLI. Building, deploying, create a project, token juggling, raw transactions, contract introspections, and even validator staking, all from the terminal. Smash that like, share with your dev squad. See you on chain, guys.